So we will then begin our presentations. We will be going by category, and the first category, we had the most nominations in this year, and that was the attitude category. And in this category, the award is presented to an individual who demonstrates an encouraging attitude, high levels of motivation, a positive work environment, and the desire to achieve collaboration with others to a commitment of excellence. Congratulate all the nominees in this category. We often didn't have nominees in the attitude category, and this year it was our largest category. So I think that says a lot about the attitude of our employees in the health region. So I did want to call forward Irene Begay, who is the winner of this award.
To receive this, and I really do thank my co-workers for nominating me. It was not for lack of wanting to work more that I endeavored to care for my husband at home, and he would be honored to know that this was seen valuable by my co-workers. So thank you very much, and I do thank the health region, especially the managers I've worked with over the years, for giving me the opportunity to work according to my family needs. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Irene is a public health nurse at the Shelburne Public Health Office. She also works casual in Prince Albert. She is a nurse who has continuously maintained a positive attitude over many years of her career. She's a role model for all her co-workers, an advocate for clients. She is highly respected and admired by all her colleagues for her professionalism, enthusiasm. She has been an exemplary nurse in all areas of her career, having achieved a specialty in community health nursing from the Canadian Nurses Association. Her optimistic approach to life has enabled her to gracefully provide exceptional client service and peer support. Many of you will know that over the past number of years, Irene has cared for her husband, who had a debilitating illness. Irene was notably one of the first home care clients in our health region to maintain a home-operated respirator. That's not on the script, I'm ad-libbing here. So, in spite of all of this time, it was a very onerous burden, and all of us know how she maintained such a tremendous positive attitude. She relied on her strong faith and the support of her co-workers, who are many with her tonight, her friends and neighbors. Irene Begay. quality of work, and our quality people in the back had to take a second fiddle to attitude, which was 7 nominees, but quality was 6. So they're right in second place. So quality of work is given to an individual who has extensive attention to detail, professionalism, commitment, and innovation through their respective career fields. These individuals go above and beyond the call of duty to ensure positive experiences for all organizational stakeholders. Choice to make for the committee, a very distinguished nominees in there in the category, but the award recipient for this year has been chosen, and it is Charles Vachon.
Thank you very much. Thank you to all those that nominated me. You know, it's not hard to have a good quality of work attitude and ethic when you work with so many great people. I really enjoy what I do, and I love serving the people of the Prince Albert Parkland Health Region. Thank you.
Charles is a biomedical technologist in the maintenance department for the past 14 years. He's described as a committed employee and the backbone of many departments in the hospital, as his responsibility to keep equipment in working condition, which I'm sure can be a major challenge. With his many duties and areas to cover, he always has time to help out when needed. When new problems occur, Charles is very approachable. He will never get flustered. He will take out manuals, make phone calls, and continue until he has the problem solved. His attention to detail, diligence, professionalism, and commitment to his work are remarkable. Charles is a person who lights up the room when he comes in, and his working relationships with staff are excellent. He always goes above and beyond his call of duty to make sure his departments are functioning to their best capacity. Without Charles's expertise, many departments could not operate. The Prince Albert Parkland Health Region should be honored to have Charles as an employee. Region since 1984. She is currently the recording secretary for QP Local 4777. Whether she has been working in long-term care in her past lives, Marg has always had the safety of her patients and co-workers first and foremost in her actions. She has demonstrated safe work practices at the QP office. It is with this focus on safety that we congratulate and support the work that Marg has continued to do on a daily basis. So Marg, if you would come forward, you are the recipient in this category.
Thank you to whoever nominated me. I appreciate it, especially this year, as I will be retiring at the end of the year. Thank you.
I'm glad I didn't have to decide who the award recipient, because this is a really challenging category. But the award in this category is being given to the Adult Addiction Services. Only one of you can speak.
It chose me to speak because this was the height that the microphone was at. Anyway, we'd like to thank folks that nominated us. I'm just incredibly blessed to have this team as people that work with me. They really have a commitment to making sure that our clients' needs are met as quickly as possible. They're an awesome group to work with. There are a couple of people that started out with us that aren't here tonight. They retired or they moved on, but they were really a huge part of where we were able to get to in meeting our clients' needs. So I just want to mention their names: Leslie Paul, Arnie Weeds, Laura Mount has moved over to the Family Treatment Center. Rochelle Lamberis is working out at Shelburne. And Carolyn Van Dyke has moved into another position in Connection Services. So thank you very much.
So the Adult Addiction Services is located near the bus depot in Prince Albert, for anyone who doesn't know where that office is. It serves a very diverse population of 5 health regions other than our own. Through a courageous, innovative, analytical, and challenging process, this team has achieved significant success in the areas of collaboration, program development, compassionate and timely service for clients. Their efforts have resulted in counselors having the ability to book clients within 2 days for 1 to 2 sessions. They've just blown the wait list away. Regarding clients not attending or no shows, the rates have dropped from a high of 65% to now just over 18%. Their same-day services for crisis and walk-in clients and assessment processes can be achieved in as little as 3 sessions. Regardless of the magnitude of the success, the addiction teams continues their quality improvement journey. Because of their work, mental health has also been able to learn and implement similar improvements in client access. The results of these access improvements, along with the sharing and collaboration, has allowed mental health and addiction services to meet the provincial wait time targets as a result of being able to offer immediate service to all adult, child, and youth mental health and addictions clients. Thank you very much for the creative work of the Adult Addiction Services team. That does truly reflect our region's mission and values. A client-centered approach, and the criteria in this category is an individual who has demonstrated compassion and commitment to excellence in respect to specifically client service. These individuals endorse our vision of healthy people in healthy communities. Nominated. The recipient of this award tonight is Sylvia Cesora.
Whoever nominated me. I love my job, I love my residents, it's a great place to work. Thank you very much.
Sylvia is a member of the WAG committee, so I know her from there. So she has been with the health region for over 25 years. She works as a continuing care assistant at the Herd Bassett home. Sylvia demonstrates many qualities that have made her an excellent caregiver and mentor to her co-workers. She is described as being organized, prompt, a team player, respectful, kind, compassionate, fair, and accountable. She approaches each day with a positive attitude and a client-centered approach. She has provided excellent customer service to the residents at the home and has done so with compassion and consideration for individual needs. She is a staff member others have looked to for advice and feedback. She has gone above and beyond to raise funds for the residents in order to provide extras that contribute greatly to their quality of life. Her work ethic and ability to anticipate the needs of others makes her a very suitable candidate for this award. So Sylvia. So the peer support category is there are 2 nominations. Individuals in this category display personal and professional leadership in their respective fields. The individuals aspire to enhance learning opportunities, motivation for others, and encourage organizational development. They are passionate about supporting others around them and helping others achieve. So in this category, the award recipient that was chosen is Terry Field.
I am humbled and honored to be up here and would like to thank the great people that I get to work with all the time, that they think that I'm worthy of this honor, so thank you kindly.
You wouldn't know her from the picture, but she is the Regional Director of Environmental Services. The Environmental Services staff has indicated how caring, compassionate, understanding, and well-organized Terry is as their manager. She keeps her staff updated in situations. She's easy to approach on any issue, big or small. She is also very caring to her staff, providing coffee and cake from time to time. Terry also makes sure at Christmas time to have a Christmas meal with her staff. The little things she does for her staff are highly recognized and very much appreciated. Okay, so in the volunteer category, there was only one nominee this year, and we all know that volunteers are very hardworking and unpaid individuals that give the health region and staff their gifts of time and talent. They are the heart of our organization and display a commitment to excellence. Without the effort, pride, and enthusiasm of these individuals, serving our region would be much more difficult. So our nominee in this category is Alma Davis. And Alma, if you would stand there. Thank you. Alma has been a volunteer at the Spearwood Complex since 1989. Since 2004, she has been known to help out with bingo every Tuesday and with the fitness program every Friday. She's always there to help out with the spring and Christmas bake sales as well. You will always find her decorating, setting up for events, helping out with the barbecues, garage sales, etc. She has come on many residents' bus trips, whether it be a supper, summer picnic, or a shopping trip. Alma is a very hard worker who enjoys her time with the residents and in return expects nothing except to know she was able to help where needed. So Alma, I ask you to come forward and receive your award. to recognize outstanding and usually long-standing contributions in their field of employment and community. It encompasses holistic contributions of dedication and commitment towards workplace and community enhancements. There are 2 nominees in this category. Lifetime achievement is always difficult because we generally have individuals who have served our health region for a very long time, and I know the committee had a very difficult time choosing in this category, but the award recipient is Jennifer Crew.
I'm very surprised and very happy. Thank you to all those at the health center and the staff that's represented here with me for nominating me for this award. At first, when I got the letter, I figured, I'm not going anywhere. Then I thought a lot of work and effort was put into it, and I should count. And I'm very thankful. Thank you to all the staff. Without you, I could not do the work I've been doing. You've helped me, and you've been great to work with. And thank you, Linda. I've known her many years, and all the management of Parkland. Thanks to everyone. Thank you.
Jennifer recently retired from the health region, where she had been employed for a very impressive 34 years as a registered nurse at the Big River Hospital formerly and now the health center. She is a very spirited individual, and she does not gloat about her accomplishments. She is there to do the best job that she can. She is the first to be at work and the last to leave. Jennifer, on her own initiative, has decorated the facility on holidays and has even purchased gifts for residents with her own money. For the past 6 years, Jennifer has also been doing volunteer work in Honduras. Here she provides medical work for people who live in very small villages and poor villages by purchasing medical supplies, taking clothing and toys for the children. She also supports a poverty-stricken family. Jennifer, over her long career, has made all of the residents feel loved and appreciated, and has showed them the utmost respect and dignity that they
Anyway, thank you, Linda, for your work today. It is never easy to get ready for this event. It's really one of our premier events in the health region, and I do want to thank the board for their support. They, feel very strongly about recognizing the excellence in our health region, and certainly I want to thank them. But I want to thank all of you who are in the audience. You come, you support, and we recognize all of these very worthy individuals, and the teams. This is really important that we recognize their care and comfort that they provide to the people that we serve day in and day out. I do think that we heard lots of very important words tonight. We heard about compassion. We heard about care. We heard about service, long and short, We heard about individuals who have just recently joined the health region and others who have served for decades. All of this, I think, is a very strong signal that these people that we recognize tonight, but also their colleagues, those individuals working tonight so that their colleagues could come. There are people who will be working tonight the night shift. All of these give day in and day out. They're part of the fabric of excellence in this health region. And I also congratulate them for supporting all of you today in your work and in the excellent care and comfort that we provide our patients and clients and long-term care residents in our communities. Those are all part of this integrated health system. And then we are now part of a provincial health system that's focused on 4 things: better health, better care, better teams, and better value. And so everyone that we recognize tonight can see themselves in those 4 very simple but strong phrases. So as we close, I want to wish you all the very best. I want to thank all of those who put the effort into making this a very special evening for all of us. So and I thank Shenanigans for the beautiful meal and the Art Hauser Center. And I do want to wish everyone a safe trip home. Watch out for those moose.